Hello everyone, I am Dr. Danish Salim. Today we are going to discuss about 10 symptoms of black fungus infection or mucormycosis. A rapid rise in cases of mucormycosis, also known as black fungus, has added to the challenges faced by India's healthcare system as it deals with a massive second wave of COVID-19 infections. India have reported more than 10,000 cases of the otherwise rare disease in recent weeks, mostly in people infected with COVID-19 or patients who are recovering from this disease. So we have to know in detail about these 10 symptoms of black fungus infection, as we can diagnose this disease early and start the treatment as early as possible. So there are two types of black fungus infection which has been reported in COVID patients recently. The most common one is called rhinocerebral mucormycosis, which affects the sinus and the brain, and the second one is called pulmonary mucormycosis, which affects the lungs. In this video, I am going to share with you the 10 symptoms of rhinocerebral mucormycosis that you should watch out for in patients recovering from COVID-19 infection. Most black fungus patients will typically have at least 3 or more of these symptoms simultaneously. So here is the list of those symptoms. First, high-grade fever more than 39 degrees Celsius. 2. Long-lasting and excruciating headache which is not tolerable to the patient. 3. One-sided facial pain and swelling, especially the swelling of the eyelids. 4. Nasal or sinus congestion. The patient will say that his nose is blocked. 5. Reddish discoloration in and around the eyes and nose, which is painful to touch. 6. Nose bleeding, not to be confused with minor blood stain when you have cold and repeatedly when you blow your nose. 7. Blurred vision, difficulty in vision. 8. Protruding eyes because of the swelling. 9. Black lesions on nasal bridge or the inside of the mouth that quickly become severe. And finally, presence of blood in the vomitus. So these are the 10 symptoms which you have to look out for. Patients suffering from pulmonary mucormycosis, which is the second most common black fungus infection in COVID patients, may also have symptoms similar to COVID-19. Like the patient may have fever, cough, chest pain and shortness of breath. But do not panic, the black fungus is still a relatively rare condition. This video is just to help early detection of a possible black fungus infection so that you can go in for medical diagnosis on time and get the required treatment to cure the disease if at all the patient is truly infected with black fungus infection. So kindly share this information to everyone. We will come with another good topic. Take care everyone.